A little bit.
The camera running, we're going to go through the burned out section. Be fun.
Oh yeah. Kind of loose. Woo! Oh hi. Nice. Whew. Whew, soft. Missed the trail by a little bit. Cheater. It's the English way. Find a shortcut canal to take the lead and get ahead of people. Terrible pull. Way too much speed to get a hair off that last one. Flat turn. I'm glad you suggested this. I was just watching a snowboard video on proper turning, and he made the comparison to leaning into a berm on a bike. He was talking about center of gravity. I was like, okay, actually really want to put that to practice. So these are perfect. Wee.
Alright, that was a little loop trail.
Bad view. Almost. Yeah. Can it come loose?
Get out of the hell, there's more here.
Yeah, so you just add more.
Yeah, there is.
You were saying? Oh, geez.
Yeah, never mind.
Uh-oh. All right, I can't laugh anymore. They got me too.
Freeloaded.
Nope. Well, downhill. Ooh. That sucked. Scooch.
Yeah, it is. That should be filming you. No.
You got the helmet mount?
No.
Eh, it got me this time. Oh, yeah. Whoa! Well, I wanted to practice my berms. Pretty much center of gravity. Whew! That was loose. I choked out my jump because I wasn't sure if I was going to bonk my head on the branch. So suddenly my foot just came off. I think so too. I saw you drop off that. I was like, nope,
That was a nice one.
not doing that blind.
I saw it coming. I'm like, maybe that's a good one. Let's go try it.
It was too close to know if there was a root or rock or something at the bottom you were going to whack. What do you mean all these trails look the same to you? Oh yeah.
You think you're almost there, and then you have to
I know. Extra quarter mile.
go again. Okay, that's it. I think I broke my finger.
Oh no.
That's okay. I knew it was going to go out of somewhere. Well, look at it.
Oh no.
I'll tell you what. Keep going.
Wonk. Sand.
Okay.
Are you going to cut back that way? Poor dude. Normally I'm the one that stuff breaking down. So I'm trying a new angle. I basically just flipped my mount upside down so the camera sits a little bit lower. There we go. So I'm shooting like an elephant gun up there. Listen to that reverb. It's nuts. We were down by the road and one went off and the sound wave echoed and hit so many trees across the valley. The sound crackled. It sounded like a speaker was blown, but in real life. It was insane. May have been the coolest auditory thing I've experienced. I'm going. It's like those toddlers with the gearless bike.
Alright, turning up.
It's up the coast. It's a learner bike all over. We're ready for it this time.